Hey guys, it's Ella. And I'm gonna be making another one. Oh gosh, what the heck? It'll spill! Whoa, there's water everywhere now. Okay, you already know. So first, my dad's recording. Say hi, Dad.
Hi, Dad.
Okay. So you're gonna pour in as much as water as you want. I'm just gonna say that's enough. And then take some soap. Doesn't matter what soap it is, just as long as it's not water. Soap. Bath gel, or shower towel, or whatever you want to call shower gel. Oh gosh, it's very good. Wash it down. No one ever uses shower gel these days.
You started with too much water.
Yep. I think we should take some less water in there. So I'm going to take the spoon and then scoop it. Yeah, guys, I added way too much water. Stinking stupid. Not all of it, Dad. Okay, that's good. I got out most of my soap. So mix in your water, bath gel, and soap together. Yeah, no. Yeah. Then shampoo. Shampoo. It's tooting, guys. Farting. I'll just pour a little of this. It's good. It's always starting to for some reason. A little more of this. And dissolve all of that terrible baking soda. And then just take a little more of this. Just a tiny bit. It's like an activator. Kind of. So satisfying. Get down! Down! Are you eating Goldie? Show them Goldie. Show Goldie them. Say hi, Goldie! So the shower gel and baking soda is your activator stuff. I don't recommend. That's how much. That's the most stuff. So let me just stir this, and then I'll teach you the last and final thing you need to do. Put it in whatever they're called. I'll show you them. Show you them. They're called things. Thank you. Okay. Take one of these, whatever they're called, things with the top. Okay.
you might need to put a little more baking soda in?
That's not a little. Dad, what other ingredients might help it?
I don't know, you follow the recipe, and this is the recipe.
Alright. Take that.
Oh, look at Brody heading towards the sunbeam.
I cannot. Oh, no. Let this sit for a while, this milk.
You're supposed to put it in the refrigerator or anything?
Nope.
How long do you think we're gonna let it sit?
I have no idea.